Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. Today I am showing you a beautiful and elegant mother of the bride dresses. These dresses are not only stylish but also very valuable in international markets like the USA and UK. Some of these dresses can cost from $200 to even $2,000 depending on the fabric and designs. If you are planning to start an online business, this niche can be very profitable. Many people search for these dresses online, especially during wedding seasons. You can sell these designs on platforms like Shopify, ETSY, and your own website like Amazon and etc. These dresses are made with luxury fabrics like silk, chiffon, velvet, and lace. Heavy embroidery beads and handmade work made them look more expensive and attractive. She's why customers this is why customers are ready to pay a high price. One important tip is to always choose high quality designs. Don't focus only on quantity. Quality products bring loyal customers and better reviews, which helps you grow faster. If you want to earn our money, always target international audience. Simple English in your videos, add a keywords like luxury, USA fashion and wedding collection. This will increase your CPM and help you earn more. Also try to make your videos longer and more informative. Explain the fabric, price idea and styling tips. This keeps viewers watching for a longer time and increase your revenue. Remember friends, success in online business needs patience and smart work. Do not give up if your earnings are low in the beginning. Learn, improve and stay consistent. These beautiful dresses are not just fashion, they are a great business opportunity. With the right strategy, you can turn your passion into strong source of income. If you like these designs, keep watching and get inspired for your own business journey. You can start earning from platforms like Amazon. On Amazon, you can join the affiliate program. This means you promote dresses and when someone buys through your link, you earn in a commission. This is very simple and powerful way to start online earning. Another great platform is Shopify. You can create your own online store and sell these dresses under your brand name. Many people are making thousands of dollars by selling fashion products through Shopify stores. You can also use ETCY, which is prefer your handmade and unique dress designs if you create a customized dresses. ETSY is one of the best marketplace to reach international buyers. If you don't want to keep stock, you can use drop shipping. In this method, you don't need to buy products in advance. When a customer places an order, your supplier ships the product directly to them. This reduces your risk and investment. Social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram are also very powerful. You can upload videos about dress designs, styling tips, and fashion ideas. Once your page grows, you can earn money from ads, sponsorship, and brand deals. One important tip is to always target high CPM audience. Use simple English, add keywords like luxury dresses, USA fashion, and wedding collection. This helps you get better earning per 1,000 views. Also, always focus on quality content. Show clear designs, give useful information, and guide your viewers. The more value you provide, the more trust you build up, and the more you earn. Remember, only earning is not instant. It needs patience, consistency, and smart strategies. Start small, learn daily, and improve your content step by step. These beautiful dresses are not just fashion inspiration, these are a complete online business opportunity. With the right platforms and strategy, you can turn your idea into real income and keep watching for more ideas and start your online earn journey today. Thank you for watching my videos and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very beautiful, highly demanding and very creative mother of the bride dresses, party wear dresses, semi-formal dress designs. Because her happiness makes her shine the most and This is her moment too, so she should enjoy it fully, stay confident, and create beautiful memories with her family. So, friends, welcome to this beautiful collection of Mother of the Bride dress designs, where elegance meets love and price. Every outfit you see her is designed to make her feel special on her daughter's big day. From soft and graceful colors to rich and classy tones, each dress has its own charm. The designs are a perfect mix of tradition and modern look. Flowing gowns and style cuts add a touch of confidence and beauty. Fine embroidery and delicate details make every dress look luxurious, and comfortable fabrics help her enjoy every moment without worry. My dear friends, a perfect fit always enhances her overall look. Choosing the right color that matches her personality is very important. Simple and elegant styling often looks more attractive than heavy fashion. Light jewelry can beautifully complete the look, and matching shoes also play an important role in comfort and style. A calm and happy face makes her shine even more. These dresses are not just outfits, they are full of emotions. They reflect years of love, care, and sacrifice. This is a proud moment of every moment. She deserves to feel confident and respect. Overdressing should be avoided to keep the look balanced. A natural and simple appearance always stand out. These designs are perfect for both day and evening weddings. Soft makeup can enhance her natural beauty. The right hairstyle can complete the whole look perfectly. Comfort should always come first in any outfit. Confidence is the key to beauty, true beauty, and a genuine smile is her best accessory. Most beautiful, stylish, different ideas in this video. It's a very amazing and outstanding designs, beautiful, gorgeous, latest ideas. She should enjoy every second of this special day, and these moments will turn into beautiful memories forever. Love and happiness make her glow naturally. A perfect dress adds to her joy and confidence. Thank you for watching this lovely collection, and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Most beautiful, latest, stylish, different ideas. So keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. Most demanding, different ideas. Most beautiful, latest, stylish collection. Thanks for watching my videos. It's a very amazing, different, outstanding designs. These outfits are carefully created to make every mother feel proud and confident. Each design shows a perfect balance of grace and modern fashion. Soft flowing fabrics give a gentle and classy look. Beautiful colors like champagne, blush, navy and silver and timeless charm. Every dress is designed to highlight natural beauty without being too heavy. Light embroidery and fine details make each outfit special. Comfort is always important so she can enjoy the whole event. A well-fitted dress always looks more elegant. Choosing the right style for body shape makes a big difference. Simple and neat designs often look more stylish than over-decorated ones, and elegant sleeves and necklines add extra grace. Matching accessories complete the overall look perfectly. Shoes should be both stylish and comfortable. Relaxed and happy mood makes her glow naturally. These dresses reflect a mother's love and lifelong support. This day is not only emotional but also very special for her. She should feel confident in whatever she wears. Avoid too much makeup to keep her natural appearance. Soft hairstyles can enhance her beauty even more. These designs suit different wedding themes beautifully. Whether indoor or outdoor, the look remains elegant, and light fabrics are perfect for long events and comfort. Confidence and simplicity always win over heavy fashion. Her smile is the most beautiful part of her look. She should stay calm and enjoy every moment. These memories will stay forever in her heart. Love and happiness make her shine brighter than anything. A perfect outfit adds to her joy and pride. Thank you for watching, and may every mother of the bride feel elegant, confident, and truly special on this unforgettable day. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. Hope you like all ideas and collection. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Take care, and assalamu alaikum, and thanks for watching my videos. Take care. Bye.